Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do standing skill dunk in NBA 2K26. It's quite easy. Firstly, we're gonna learn how you can do skill dunk. In order to do skill dunk, you just need to move your left stick towards the direction of the basket, but while holding RT key or R2 key if you have PlayStation, just like this. Now hold down your right stick and just release it when it get under the green area to match the timing perfectly. Let's try it again. Use left stick towards the direction, hold down RT, and just like this you can perform that. We just need to match the timing perfectly to score. Let's try it one more time. So firstly we need to use the left stick towards the direction of the basket, hold down RT and just move your right stick downwards and just release that when it get under the green area. So we have to just be careful while releasing that to match the timing, as I said. So just like that, and yep, there you go. This is the skill dunk which you need to learn first. Now let's see how you can perform standing dunk. So for that you need to make sure that your player should be just near the basket or just underneath of basket like this, and just without touching any key you need to hold down right stick and just release that when the bar get under the green area. Now let's try it one more time. My player is just near the basket. I'll just leave all of my keys but just hold down the right stick and just release it when the bar get under the green area. And yep, there you go. This is exactly how you can perform standing dunk. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.